All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. My brother, my sister, is no longer a joke. All Yoruba people right now needs to wake up. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yoruba, ẹ dìde, ẹ gbáradì. Kò sí ṣeré mọ́ o. Yeah, so it is better we quickly support the Yoruba nation movement. If you are out there, you are still shouting one Nigeria. We have been warning you people. You thought it's all a joke, Abi? All right, right now war is looming, and a lot of people have been warning the president of Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that stay clear of what is happening in Niger. Stay clear of what is happening in Niger Republic, because at the end of it all, nǹkan tó bá máa ṣẹlẹ̀, apá yín ò ní gbé. Now a lot of people are like, Bola Ahmed Tinubu never loves Nigerians. That is why he's doing all these things. Some set of people have come, in fact, people who have been supportive of Bola Ahmed Tinubu are now reversing that. No, we never knew this man. This man has this kind of evil agenda against Nigerians. Right now, the Niger Republic have come out. In fact, the citizens of Niger Republic have come out in their numbers that they will not allow Bola Ahmed Tinubu to rest. And right now, anything that pertains to Bola Ahmed Tinubu, my brother, my sister, this is Nigeria. He is the president of Nigeria. Ẹ má jẹ́ kán fi tiwọn kó bá wa o. Yoruba nation, ńbo lójú yín wà. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yoruba nation, ẹ tètè jí o, ẹ lajú yín. We got to go our separate ways. Well, my brother, my sister, with the news reaching us, this one is a breaking news. War looming as Niger army blocks Nigerian soldiers' access to Boso. A lot of people be like, what is going on? Which one is Boso again? Well, war looming has the neighboring towns of Malam Fatori in Nigeria and Boso in Niger, which were once connected by a friendly daily interaction between soldiers of the Nigerian army and the soldiers of Niger Republic in Boso, are now experiencing heightened tension and then hostility due to recent events. Well, onto this News Direct reports that in the aftermath of ECOWAS sanctions and the declaration of potential military action, both countries find themselves in a delicate situation. Well, as a result, Nigerian soldiers are facing an unfortunate setback as they have been denied access to Boso town to source items for their daily lives and then basic provisions. Well, this new development occurred a day after a delegation from the West African Regional Bloc ECOWAS had left Niger without meeting the leader of the junta, which seized power in a coup. Well, according to a delegation member, on Friday, the team led by former Nigerian military ruler Abdusalami Abubakar could not spend the night in Niger as scheduled. Well, the ECOWAS delegation arrived in the capital Niamey on Thursday but did not spend the night as scheduled nor meet with coup leader Abdourahamane Tihani or the post-president Mohamed Bazoum. The team members said the delegation was initially due to meet Tihani to present ECOWAS demands, but met a brick wall before returning to Abuja. Well, regional powerhouse Nigeria holds the rotating presidency of ECOWAS, which imposed sanctions and then gave the military junta a week to restore Bazoum to power. Well, Nigerian President Bola Tinubu, however, said the bloc would do its best to resolve the crisis amicably, but ECOWAS said it could resort to military intervention as a last resort. Yes, and then this is exactly what we are actually getting. My brother, my sister, this is not funny at all. This is not funny at all. No, we have said this times to that number. See, if care is not taken, if you are out there, you are still following them. You are still following them that, oh, things will be better. My brother, my sister, I pray that you will not regret your actions after some while, because right now majority of people have made it clear that as far as this movement is concerned, as far as one Nigeria is concerned, we cannot take us anywhere. Yes, a lot of people have come out that right now the president Bola Ahmed Tinubu is setting war for the people, and then of which at the end of it all, if it happens, he has a private jet too. That nothing concern us with Niger Republic matter. Our own problem dey this country, we never face am. You are now coming out as the chairman of ECOWAS to fight for what does not concern you. Yes, the people have said that, oh, they don't want this person, this is what they want, and then you are against those people, of which they have backup. So they are backup, one of their backups, in fact, the world largest weaponized country, Russia. They are solidly behind Niger Republic right now, of which at the end of it all, when they say okay, like say una believe, say una get strong head for that Nigeria, by the time they will send, our prayer is it will not be our portion. A lot of people are like, abeg Bola Ahmed Tinubu, if you want to fight for Niger Republic, abeg don't carry Nigeria along. Only you carry yourself. Say, oh, on behalf of me and my family, Nigeria, leave Nigeria aside. That on behalf of you and your family, you are fighting for the president that was removed. That as far as Nigeria is concerned, leave us out of this, because we don't want trouble. Yeah, somebody just made a proclamation that war is looming. Waiting, Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't start. Hey, no go fit carry am. At the end of it all, leave these people, let them settle their differences with themselves in their country. Face Nigeria and they repair Nigeria for us, because we don't understand what the kind of problem you want to put us into. Well, my brother, my sister, a lot of things though are actually been said. Majority of things are been said. What more can we say onto this one, my people? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.